3t-1, we're going to evaluate the definite integral over 0 to 1 of 3t minus 1 to the 50th power dt. We're going to use the substitution rule for definite integrals. So you proceed as usual with u substitution, and we're going to let u equal this quantity here of 3t minus 1, and therefore the derivative of u with respect to t is going to equal 3. We move this dt, cross multiply, and move the dt up there. We're going to solve for dt, so if you multiply through by 1/3, you get 1/3 du equals dt. Now, for definite integrals, we have to change our limits because we're dealing with u now and not with t. So we have to change our limits here. So we're going to say when when t is 0, and you plug in t equals 0 here, you're going to get u equals -1. When t is 1, you plug in 1 into here, and you're going to get 3 minus 1 is 2. So now we can write our integral as from -1 to 2. And the reason we're doing this is we're not substituting this back in like we do with the indefinite integral. So now let's just substitute everything with u. We have 3t minus 1 is u, so that's u to the 50th power. And dt is, this here, is going to be 1/3 du. Now I'm going to go ahead and move this in front. Pull that out, and you have u, and let's go ahead and integrate u to the 50th du. So it's going to be u to the 51 divided by 51, and we're going to evaluate this from -1 to 2. All right, so this is, I'm going to go ahead and multiply these two. That's going to be 1 divided by 153. And now we just have to evaluate that. This is going to be u. So you start with the 2. So that's 2 to the 51st power minus, and then we're going to write -1 to the 51st power. All right, this is going to equal 1 divided by 153. And instead of, let's just keep that as 2 to the 51 power. So that's a pretty big number. And -1 to the 51st power is -1. So that's minus a -1. It's going to be +1. All right. And that would be your final answer. So that would just be like that. All right. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.